Hi everyone, welcome to the world of digital content creators. In my previous video, I shared some tips to grow online business with digital tools. If you missed that video, watch it later. Today, I'm going to give you an awesome topic, which is most important thing in business, the invoice. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate invoice or bill for your business without using any software or any application, and it is completely free and very easy to use. Before going to the video, please and must subscribe Digital Content Creators. Help your invisible friend. Let's go. First, go to Google and search for reference and hit the enter button, and you can see here www.reference.com. There's another option called invoice generator. Just click on invoice generator and the website has been arrived. You need to fill up the details of the invoice. If you want to change the title of the invoice, just double click on it. You can see here you can change the title of the invoice also. If you want to add GST, just select the add GST option. If you want to change the invoice number, you can change the invoice number also. Invoice date, you can upload your business logo here. If you want to add more field, just click on add more field. And your details and the client details, you need to fill up your details and you need to fill up your client details also. If you want to add GST, just click on add GST. You can change the currency also. I think there are each and every currency available on this platform. You can see here each and every currencies are available in this platform, and this platform is completely free and easy to use. This platform is very user friendly, and you can change the item number and quantity of the product. I will select 100 and I will select the rate as $3.99. You can see here the total amount has been automatically calculated. If you want to add description, you can add description, you can add image also, and extra charges. If you want to add discount, just click on add discount. It will ask you two options, percentage based discount or amount based discount. You can see here. And the total in words also already automatically arrive here, and you can change your own terms and condition. You can write your own terms and condition here, and you can upload the signature, digital signature, by clicking upload signature. And you can see here you will be get a dashboard and requirements, sales and marketing option. You can manage your profile, your sales leads, and you can create a list of your clients. There is so many options, and this is a completely free platform, guys. If you want to save this invoice, just click on save and continue. You don't need to fill up your bank details. This is not mandatory and this is optional. After clicking save and continue, you can download your invoice. You can see here the invoice has been arrived. You can edit the invoice or you can add payment details also. You can print this invoice, you can download this invoice, or you can email this invoice. Bank and UPI details are available. Online payment option are available. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. And you can change the invoice design here. You can see professional, letterhead, classic, and business and print friendly. There are so many invoice themes available on this platform. As you can see, this is a completely free platform, guys. I hope this information helps you. Share, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Stay tuned for next video.